The world wasn't built with people like me in mind. That's why I'm so grateful for what Beaches is doing here with Autism Inclusion Week. Families can now enjoy these experiences without fear and stress. We need to create a better world for our children.
Oh wow, so many things. We have so much activities lined up for families. We have water activities, we have arts and craft, we have Olympics, we have sip and paint.
We do worry and we stress, and everyday life, we don't get a lot of breaks, and coming here, the kids can just be kids, and from the kids club to going on the beach to going to the pool, and and we're like happy and stress-free.
I always felt different, felt weird, felt out of place. I didn't know anything at all about autism. I've noticed at Beaches is a family resort, and that is very good because the family unit is very important. But if you give us a chance, we can do it and we can go on to do great things. Thank you.